Here's a C3 to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette 25th Anniversary Edition. And yes, it is a real deal. 13U is the paint code on it. It's also a numbers matching L82 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, has been converted to 134A, and it is also a new compressor. Take a look at the nose cone, and of course that 25th Anniversary Edition emblem. Original Kentucky car, and according to the consigner of this vehicle, it is a 2-owner car. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll be able to see the T-tops on and off. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're watching on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct polished wheels. Cooper Cobra radial tires, and those are date coded 2016. Technician that looked at this car said they're in good shape. Brakes are 75% in the front and the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Black leather interior also showing well. Of course, the center console. AM, FM 8-track player in this one. Tilt and telescopic wheel. And again, really free of much of really any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there. Just a small spot there, but overall, again, paint showing well. Interior, nice shape. It is the mirrored glass tops. And you'll be able to see those in the still pictures on the car. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these C3 Corvettes, or maybe just Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Take a look down this driver's side, and again, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. We will start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. I did notice the control for the remote side mirror is no longer there. Power locks, power windows. Again, you can see the seating surface is nice shape, very little wear on them. And I did have the radio working. Odometer reads 37,024. Believed to be original, cannot confirm or deny just due to the fact once the car is sold, the miles are not recorded on the title. It's just marked exempt. Alright, dash. Looks good.
My fish were cleaned up with the snow and still in the...
And radio working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. You see fuel gauge, oil pressure, battery, clock not working, tach does work. A little rumble coming out of this L82. Listen to that. Good sounding C3. There it is. Again, numbers matching. 350 L82. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Newer compressor, blowing cold. Let me go ahead and lower this hood. We're going to check out the headlights. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, 25th anniversary, real deal, numbers matching, L82 350. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a silver 1978 Chevrolet Corvette with glass T-tops. We have a factory stereo that is working. And not just that. 8-track works as well.
But you married to a friend of mine, and I tried.
Conway Twitty. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Tachometer working as it should, speedometer as well. Very nice smooth acceleration in this Corvette. Black bucket seats. Our oil pressure is over 40 on the gauge. The temperature about 190, which is right where you want it to be. The fuel gauge reads almost a half of a tank. It is clock equipped, though I do not see it counting the seconds. Our battery gauge shows charging about 14 volts, and that's all looking good. If you hear a squeak, there's a little squeak coming from around the driver's door / T-top. Beautiful glass T-tops. I'm looking at a cloud and blue sky. Take those T-tops out, and it's practically like having a convertible. Nice black interior. Goes well against that silver exterior with the black stripe. Brakes are working as they should. Corners the way a Corvette should. It stays pretty flat in the corners. Definitely performance cars, Corvettes. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1978 Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.